Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making saltfish fritters and I'm adding curry and paying tribute to Miss Lizzy, former vendor of Granville All-Age school in Trelawny, using flour, tomato, thyme, scallion, saltfish, salt, curry, cooking oil and black pepper. In a bowl, place 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup saltfish, 1/4 cup chopped tomato, 1/4 cup chopped scallion, pinch of salt. Stir those and then add the water. I'm adding 1 1/4 cups of water in total, and I want a watery consistency. Once that's done, then I will add the black pepper, the curry and the thyme. I'm using 1 teaspoon of curry in total. Stir that in, and then that's now ready to be dropped in very hot oil. Turn on the flame to medium high. These are large fritters and they will take about 5 minutes to cook. You'll have to flip them on the other side once the lower side is brown and cook them for about 5 minutes. Then remove them from the hot oil and drain on paper towel. So our saltfish fritters are now ready. Let's look at them. They're very soft, moist, and they're very tasty. As children, we bought Flittas and shavers from Miss Lizzy. I'm dedicating this video to Miss Lizzy. It was created by Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.